Welcome to Earl Stewart on Cars with Earl and Nancy Stewart. Reach them with your questions at 877-960-9960.
We have a text from Ray in Hope Sound. Ray asks, can you shed some light on the term with approved credit? Who determines the criteria for approval? Ray, that's a confusing term, and I'm glad you brought it up. The person or the institution that should determine what approved credit is the lending institution. Unfortunately, it isn't stated that way. If you go to a bank, obviously they have criteria for credit approval, and the interest rate they will charge you, the down payment they will require, collateral they'll require, and all those things. But the dealers leave that open, and by leaving it open, they're allowing themselves the freedom to charge you a higher interest because you believe you have not good credit. You should go to your bank or your credit lending and say, I hope your credit union are actually have you better rates than banks. So if you're not a member of a credit union, you should consider joining one. Even for an annual fee, it can save you a lot of money. So your bank or your credit union are your two best sources. You go to one or both, and they will tell you what your credit approval rating should be. They'll tell you what your interest rate should be. If you go to a car dealer, they can use that to manipulate, as I said, the amount of the down payment and the amount of interest they charge you. The higher the interest they charge you, the more money they make. Car dealers make more money financing cars than they do selling you the actual car. A car dealer will make typically $1,000, maybe $2,000 on the sale of a car, but they can make $3,000 or $4,000 on financing of the car. That includes selling you things like credit life insurance, gap insurance, maintenance, extended warranties. They have a list, a menu in their business offices a mile long with added products, they call them, that they can put on the car and often concealed in the payment that you don't realize you've actually purchased the product. So the finance office is the major profit center for car dealers. And if you go in there without shopping and comparing your rate with your bank or your credit union, then you're going to pay too much money to finance your car. But approved credit is a general term, only to be defined by your bank or your credit union. Hi, this is Earl Stewart. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to be notified of new videos that we post to our YouTube channel, simply click on the subscribe button at the lower right-hand side of the screen. Earl Stewart.